The City of Austin Economic Development Department's Music and Entertainment Division held the Musician Compensation Sector Summit at City Hall.
We launched this program in March. It's the Street Performance Pilot Program.
Over 50 artists gathered to ask questions and learn the latest on revenue-generating opportunities currently offered by the city, as well as new initiatives that will launch in the coming year. The Music and Entertainment Division Sector Summits promote resource awareness and industry-wide collaboration. These events work as a platform for musicians, music industry professionals, and venue owners to voice their concerns, learn about new city program updates, and network.
It's really great that the city is getting behind revenue opportunities for musicians and setting a bar for standard musician compensation, saying, hey, musicians will be paid this much an hour individually, musician by musician, and not just a band as a whole.
I think one of the programs that got my interest is the ambassador, to go maybe on a tour and get contacts with another city and work and do some collaboration, maybe just exchange ideas.
Coming to this event today was extremely helpful for us because as a young person, I'm so thankful that this discussion is going on in our community, and that if I didn't have these kind of programs and opportunities for me to participate in, I would be completely off of my whole plan that I want for myself and my sisters.
To learn more about upcoming events and the Music and Entertainment Division's programming, visit atxmusic.org.